Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fashion video, but you're going to help me pick out my outfits. I think you might be interested. Keep watching. Alright y'all, so listen, this weekend I am going to a retirement dinner party, and I'm like, oh my god, what should I wear? Now I'm not a girl who do like super dressed up with heels and all that stuff. That's just not me, but I like to kind of dress my clothes up. I accessorize it, my makeup, my hair, all that stuff, and it all comes together. So I had 3 different outfits that I really couldn't pick from, but I want you guys to help me. And of course I switched my little wigs up in it. If you do not know, I do have a custom wig business. Check the description box where you can find my website. Go browse my wigs. It's called NeneWig. Unlike other wig companies, my wigs are manufactured made, so they're actually made by a machine, and then I do all the styling, so that just increases the longevity of it. You give me your measurements, and the wig are constructed according to the measurements you give me so that they fit to your head perfectly. So if you're interested in my wigs, you're going to see 3 of them featured in this video. Check the description boxes. Alright, so here we go. This first outfit right here, this is a jumper. I actually got it from Ross. Now sis, I never shop the racks at Ross at all, but I saw it and I'm like, this might be cute. I believe it's a 2X because I was so surprised by the fit. Like, it fit really good on me. I never shop the racks at Ross because I just never feel like I would find anything. Then personally, I don't really like the styles at Ross, but I just decided to flip through the racks and I saw it and I thought it was so cute. So this is super simple. It's just like a regular little jumper. I paired it with like these popping ass earrings. I love these earrings. And then my little MK bag. I like the gold accessory too. And then I have on like some little black and gold sandals. Now I wanted to wear this with kind of like big hair, so I pulled out my natural wave hair. I love this hair, y'all. Like, this hair is beautiful. So I pulled it out and I decided to wear it with that. I think the look is cute. I think it's giving, like, I'm giving something. It's super relaxed. I don't know if it's for the dinner party. You know, I think it's cool, I guess, but it's more chill, but I think it's cute. I went to Ross again and tried on like some more of their clothes just because I was like, oh my god, I found this one good ass piece from Ross. So I went and tried to pick up some more pieces. Sis, it didn't work. I returned all $31 that I spent there. I didn't like it. I may give it another try, but I thought Ross was about to be a hit for me, but I just couldn't do it. Alright y'all, so this next piece, now I really like this outfit. Now the skirt I actually got from Boohoo. Check the screen, you're gonna see the size that I have it in. This skirt is so beautiful. When I seen it on the site, I was like, this is cute, and it's so corny. Like, it got lemons and I think oranges or something on it or whatever, but it's so long. Like, it's long and flowy. I love the little slit in it. Like, I thought that was perfect, and I just paired it with a regular ass tube top. Like, I thought that was cute. It's nothing too much to this. Of course my makeup kind of dresses it up, my earrings. Then I took my purse and added that on with it. I think that that's really cute too. It's really chill. It's picture perfect, so I'm gonna stand out in the pictures. I like that. I think that that's really cute. Now I think this is cool for the retirement party. Like, I think that'll work. And then I paired it with my Silky straight NeneWig. Now I didn't want anything big with that. Now the curly hair, my natural wave hair would have been cool, but I wanted something really sleek and elegant, sis. Y'all know I live for a bone straight look. So I decided to put on my bone straight little Silky straight wig. This is also a NeneWig, sis. And I think that wig really just, it toned it down. Just imagine if I put on my big curly head and I got this long flowy, it would have been too much, but this just gave me the perfect elegance. So I'm like, oh yeah, this is perfect for the retirement party. Like, I thought that was cute. I really fuck with it. Like, this look, it's a look. It's a look, sis. I don't know if I'm gonna wear the hair like off my shoulders, kind of like show it all, or like some head to the front, some head to the back. I don't know, but I'm really feeling that. That's my top pick. Alright y'all, so this look right here, I really wanted to wear this onesie, okay? I got this onesie also from Boohoo, and it's so cute. Like, it's just cute. So I'm like, I'm gonna pair it with some jeans. Now I didn't want to wear the onesie like with jeans tucked in. I just thought it was too plain. I'm like, damn, I need like a belt with a gold button or something. So what I have around my waist, and if you notice, I didn't put it through the loops because I was being lazy. I just really wanted to see what it looked like, and I like the look. This actually is a belt that goes to one of my wrap tops, but I felt like it was cute to kind of accessorize it with the jeans, put it through the jean hoops or whatever. And then I really think it sets it off. Now, in this outfit, I changed my earrings because the belt was already a lot. So I didn't want them earrings to bring even more attention, and they both clash. So I just put on like some regular gold hoops or whatever, put on my sandals, and I knew that I wanted dark jeans. Y'all know I'm a fan of dark jeans. Now I paired this with my short NeneWig. Now, sis, this is my silky straight texture hair, and I just curled it up, of course. This is like a nice 14-inch curl. Sis, I think this is cute. Like, the wig, now, I wanted to go for something shorter because this was already off the shoulder. So I still wanted that peak of skin to show. I didn't want anything too long, and the top itself was already beautiful. So I wanted my hair to just be super sleek, I didn't want too much going on with my hair. So when I put on my short wig, I was like, oh, bitch, yeah, this is it right here. This is everything. Like, it just looks so natural, y'all. Like, the wig just looks so damn good. I'm gonna tell you that. Like, I ain't trying to brag, but I'm bragging, girl. I love me a damn NeneWig because it just looks good. When I put my wig on, I really just feel beautiful. I feel beautiful as shit when I put my wig on. I ain't lying, sis. So I really like the pairing of this look. I think the short hair, the off the shoulder onesie, the little belt to go around the waist, like, I thought that was cute. So y'all, those are all three of my looks. Which one do you think that I should go with? Should I go with the all black jumpsuit with the curly hair? Should I go with the long flowy skirt with the straight bone straight hair? Or should I go with the off the shoulder onesie with the short hair? Like, I really want to know what you guys think I should do. There's also going to be a poll right here. So just go ahead and participate in that poll for me and just choose your best look. I want to know your comments down below. Which look would you wear? Now, which look screams you, sis? Like I said, I'm leaning more toward look number 2, the skirt and the tube top. But sis, this one is not too far behind it, and I might just go with this one. I really want you guys to let me know if you kind of like this video as well. Like, I like trying on clothes and showing you guys, but then you get to be able to pick my outfit. So let me know if this is fun. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That will let me know that you like it. Again, check the description box for that. I would really love if you guys go check out my website, browse around. Like, seriously, I have some really good information, some how-to tutorials. Like, I really love my website. I put some work into it, so I hope that you guys like it. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'm NeneTanae, to all my new subbies. Hey boos. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all. Mwah.